The video is for all devices that have plug connector terminals. Before we start operating, please note the following warning instructions. Read the installation manual for detailed warnings. Make sure you follow the national installation codes and regulations. Ensure that the mains is switched off before working. Installation should only be carried out by trained personnel. Also, make sure all the strands of a stranded wire go into the terminal connection. Tighten up any unused terminal compartments properly. And it's okay to use ferrules. A plug connector offers advantageous characteristics for electrical connections. It enables adding, repairing, or replacing parts in an existing system without a complete shutdown. Through the pre-installation by qualified personnel, even individuals without special training can connect the terminals. Ensure that you insert and remove plug connectors in a straight manner to prevent damage. We'll start with the output terminals. Please make sure that the wires are securely inserted into the connector and the screws are tightened properly. Align the plug so that the red lever is facing forward and the wires are pointing away from the device. Insert the plug into the designated opening. Check by gently pulling on the plug to ensure it's securely in place. To disconnect, just give the red lever a light press and pull the plug away from the device at the same time. Same procedure for the other plug connector. Great! That's how you can plug or unplug plug connectors. Thanks for watching. For more, check out our PULS channel or our website.